What if you could create unlimited cinematic 1080p videos with zero caps, no restrictions, and no borders? This new campaign from Higgsfield changes everything. Sora 2 Pro is here, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. We're talking multi-scene reasoning and advanced narrative coherence. Your stories now flow seamlessly, scene after scene. And the magic doesn't stop there. With audio-driven synchronization, you get perfect lip sync, natural voice delivery, and flawless music alignment automatically. No more waiting lists, no more region locks. This is uncensored, global access for everyone. And yes, it also integrates seamlessly with Nano Banana, Seedance, Kling, WAN 2.5, and Google VO. From script to fully directed output, you get complete cinematic control at your fingertips. This is built for creators who want to craft cinematic reels and viral TikToks, for filmmakers who want to direct without cameras or actors, for agencies ready to deliver high-impact brand films, for enterprises scaling content across the world in multiple languages. This is the future of storytelling, unlimited, global, and uncensored. And it starts right here, inside Higgsfield. Don't just watch other people go viral. Jump in and build your own stories with Sora 2 and Higgsfield. Hit that link, test it out, and tag me in your first video. I'd love to see what you create.
Maybe it's time to go on vacation. Maybe it's time to go on vacation.
God's push for the king! Let the curse. Together, we stand.
Breaking down, there's no more waste of fire in my veins. No more silence, no more fear. I'm standing, I'm breaking the chains. Every scar I carry, I will rise, ignite the sky. Hearts collide, blaze will sing, burning bright. Through the break of day, rising beyond the ashes. With my name, I drop the sky. No more chase tonight. I'm standing fight till the world ignites. Running through the morning light, I can hear the rhythm of our hearts collide. Even when the night tears the sky apart, a song will guide us. Oh, take my hand, we can fly. Luminous strings in the dark of time will light the Fox, right now.
Copy, I'm in.
Let's go! Higher gun up!
Box is that, box now, let's go.
Copy, box now.
Right side clear.
Send him!
The city is still half asleep, but the air feels charged, like it's holding its breath for something new. I don't have all the answers yet. Maybe I never will, but I know the direction.
Slow-mo makes it hurt worse, bro.
I'm good.
Kiss the ground, dude.
Tasty concrete, man.
You good, bro?
Yeah, I'm alright. It's on fire though.
That was rough.
Alright, Jay, you got it, bro. Ready? Here we go. Send it. Oh, oh my god! Dude, you hit it so hard!
No, hold up. Whoa!
He went back in! I'm never living this down. I still stuck the You good, man? That looked brutal in slow-mo.
Yeah, epic fail. I'm fine. Let me try.
No. Reserve. Oh, it's twisted. Oh, this is bad. Tree. Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
You good, bro? Yeah, I think so.
That was brutal. That's a solid 10 out of 10 fail right there.
Here he goes. Woo! Oh no! Oh! Splash down!
Okay, here he goes. Stick it, man.
I got it.
Oh no! Oh, dude, that was insane.
Oh, cold but alive.
Legendary fail, bro. Worth every second. Never again.
Tell me this doesn't feel like the main character.
Sweet and warm. Really good.
Hey, make a wish, Mr. Whiskers. Big 6! I love you, buddy.
Stop scrolling. These 10-minute garlic butter noodles will change your night. Drop your ramen, let it swim. While that's boiling, butter plus garlic, best perfume ever. Hit it with chili flakes and soy for that deep umami. Noodles in, toss till every strand is glossy. Plate green onion, little sesame snow.
Y'all think Nana can't move? Watch this, baby. Okay, go crazy.
It's his birthday! 2 years old today. Yes, that's a tuna cake. You're welcome. Spoiled? Absolutely. Thanks for celebrating with us. See you next year.